Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on birthday notifications on the Instagram mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. And then go underneath versus how do you use Instagram and select notifications. And then go down again underneath birthdays and you want to select that. And versus birthdays, you can go ahead and select the off option to turn off birthday notifications. And that's all you have to do. And if you want to enable birthday notifications, just go ahead and select the on option. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.